Hey folks, as a deer hunter, I have some important information for you to know about chronic wasting disease. CWD has now been found in 25 US states. That's half of the US. There's two primary ways that we can prevent it from spreading further. The number one way is to stop all transportation of live deer. The second way, and as a deer hunter, this is where it becomes important for you to know, is if you hunt out of state, don't bring those high-risk parts back to where you live. For more information about how you can help and join the QDMA in this battle of a very terrible disease to white-tailed deer, go to QDMA.com. QDMA, it's where deer hunters belong.